Hello everyone and welcome to episode 2 of this short 5-video series about helium-10 product research. Now, in the last episode, we demonstrated to you the power of the black box tool, which is the most powerful tool for helium-10 product research. And we found ourselves a potential winner. So now in this episode, I'm going to dive into this potential winner and break down exactly why it's a winner. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more information like this. It helps the channel more than you know. Okay, so if you already have the helium-10 Chrome extension installed, then all this information about the product will show up at the top. But don't worry if you don't have it installed yet, because if you click the video that just showed up on my screen now, we have an extensive tutorial all about the helium-10 Chrome extension. But now let's have a dive in. As you can see, the 30-day revenue is $11,500, which is very good. And if I scroll through now, we can see there's a lot of different colours to this product, and this particular colour has only sold 100 a month. So our next step is to find which colour is the most popular, as this is a great place to start. Because if you are on a budget and you can't afford to buy all of the colours in one go, the best tactic is to just launch the most popular colour and then expand over time. But the most efficient way of doing this is with the helium-10 Chrome extension, because otherwise you'd have to manually click on all of these colours and try and find out which is the most popular one by looking at this number underneath the reviews. But what we can do to make this process a lot more simple is we scroll back up to the top here, click on our extension, and now we click on the X-ray tool. Okay, and now what this has done, it's pulled up all of the colours in an easy to understand list. So what we can do now is click on parent level sales. Okay, and this is actually a new feature, which I personally haven't seen before. What this has done, this has actually also brought up the sales from some of our competition who are sponsoring on this product. So we're just going to brush past this for now as we're focused on this particular listing. So now I've scrolled down and I'll scroll across. So now I'll go to Asin Sales and click this. And now this has organised all of the colours from this product family into order of most popular to least popular. So you can see how this is a much more efficient way to find out this information, rather than having to manually click on every colour. So now we can see that red is the most popular colour. So let's click on this. So now red has sold over 200 in the last month. And as we saw from our tool, it was actually over 300. And something to bear in mind is X-ray isn't 100% accurate, and neither is the Amazon number. Normally, it's somewhere in between these two numbers. So just bear that in mind when doing your research. But now, based off this information, we now know that we would launch red. And also, because there's only 15 types and 37 pieces, we would be looking to bring out 20 types and 40 pieces. Or you could go the other direction and bring out 10 types and 30 pieces and aim to charge less. But it all depends on the quote that you get from your supplier, which direction you want to go in, because you could either do less and charge less or do more and charge more. And if you're charging more, there can be more room to breathe on the margin, so it might be worth having slight less speed but charging more and doing more. Or if you can get the margin with the smaller amount, then you can charge less but have a higher speed. So always be sure to do your own research and just weigh up the pros and cons between these two approaches. And again, this product is only for example purposes. This is all about getting you into the correct mindset of how to look at these results and make an informed decision based off the data that the helium-10 product research has given to you. And that's about it for episode 2. I hope you found this information useful, and in the next episode I'm going to be breaking down how you take the next step in helium-10 product research by using a tool called Review Insights. And this shows you exactly all the mistakes this competitor has made and all the things they've done correct, so that you know what you should be doing and what you should not be doing. Here at Freedom Pass, we want to help you become a success for as small of an upfront cost as possible. So we have partnered with Helium 10, and if you click the link in the description, you can use the code FreedomPass10 for 10% off forever. Or if you use the code FreedomPass20, you can get 20% off for the first 6 months. Unlock the power of Helium 10 at a fraction of the cost. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more information like this. So I'll see you in the next one.